Yo, what's going on guys? This is Rebuilds NI here, coming back with my first video, and it's going to be this Volkswagen Touran 2012. Bought it at damage auction, head up the front. As you can see so far, it needs a headlight, bumper and bonnet. Now obviously, it's going to need a front panel. But we'll start stripping this bumper off, strip this light out and take that bonnet off. So as you can see, got the bumper off, got the light out. But the only problem was I didn't record me taking the bumper off because all the screws are rusted on and they were deadly to get out. So as you can see, it's had a nasty wee damage there. So front panel's broken half obviously. We're going to need your radiators, intercooler, aircon and stuff. We might need this. It has a wee bend here, but I think I could fix that. We're going to need a water bottle. And there's just a couple of wee damages in there, like that there band. That there's bent up the ways, but we should be able to fix that, no problem. Now I'm gonna strip the whole front panel out of her and put it on a time lapse, so you can watch even just taking this out. It's just something different, but if you like videos, I guess, you know, make sure you do hit the like button. So here comes time lapse. So there you go guys, have front panel out, that fan's bent, your two radiators and your aircon radiators bent. There's a wee bit broke off that light, but I'm going to fix that because them lights are there. No chassis damage. There's a wee hole in that there water bottle. They're definitely not fixing that. Wee damage there, and there was a wee damage there, but I fixed it. Just pushed it out because with colour like that there, I'm getting a new bonnet, new bumper, and I don't really want to go into that door or anything. I could probably lose it here, but the thing is there's damages all down that wing, and it's from my ass, so I don't really give a shit, to be honest. And found out our pipe that was broke. I think that's it guys, because really we're getting a new bonnet, new bumper, so we're waiting on them coming in, and then I'll show you how to prepare and paint them. But I think that's it for now. If not, I'll throw more at the end of the video. But I said I was going to time lapse strip in the front, but I can't because an error come up on my SIM card, so I lost all that footage. So if you did enjoy this video or want to give us some tips and stuff about what to do in the next video, please leave a like and leave a comment. Peace.